Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will be unboxing the Telesin Hero 9 battery charging box. As you can see right here. Here we have the extra specifications like the model GPBCG901 with input of 5 volts and output of 4.4 volts. For each battery. You can charge 3 batteries using this box. Let me get into unboxing this. At first we have the user's guide or manual. Then we have the USB Type-C charger, and here we have the actual box. There's pretty much nothing else. I'm going to keep this aside. Right here you have the charging box. In here you can put 3 GoPro batteries to charge them. I'm going to show you right now. From here I'm going to take the original battery. And here I have 2 extra batteries. And to charge this, I have an adapter here right now. I'm going to open the wires and connect it. Basically just plug this in and you can see the lights right here. For example, these two show green because the batteries are at full capacity right now. And this one is orange because it's at medium range right now. So it's still charging and the other ones are already full. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.